a little rhythm make it run things now. Then we, let the rhythm figure out things now. So the plan is to get everybody out of their seats throughout the night. We'll just do a little sound check. Thank you, Elena, coming from Oakland, Bay Area, California, for joining us tonight. Check. Rudians style. Then we, a little rhythm make it run things now. Whoa. Then we, a little rhythm make it run things now. Take it home, Rudians. Salinas, let me hear you make some noise for yourselves, please. Stonies, Sergio, thank you so much for having us back out.